Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on an aerial tour of Dallas, Texas. If you're a drone enthusiast like me, or just someone who loves exploring beautiful places from a new perspective, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the top 5 places you need to visit in Dallas with your drone. First up, we have the iconic Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge. This stunning piece of architecture is a must-see, especially during sunset. The way the bridge's sweeping curves contrast with the Dallas skyline makes for some truly breathtaking shots. Trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. No visit to Dallas would be complete without checking out Reunion Tower. This famous landmark gives you a panoramic view of the city that's hard to beat. The unique design of the tower, combined with the cityscape below, makes for an awesome drone video. Next, we're heading over to the Dallas Arboretum and Botanical Garden. With its vibrant floral displays and sprawling landscapes, this place is a paradise for nature lovers. Flying your drone over these gardens will give you stunning views of Dallas's natural beauty from above. The Dallas Arboretum and Botanical Garden is renowned for its stunning seasonal displays, showcasing a diverse array of plant life across 66 acres of beautifully landscaped gardens. It is also famous for hosting popular annual events like Autumn at the Arboretum and Dallas Blooms, drawing visitors from all over the world. As we visited the famous Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge, known for its striking steel arch design that beautifully spans the Trinity River and connects the city to its western neighborhoods, it's impossible to miss the towering Bank of America Plaza, the tallest building in Dallas. This skyscraper rises 921 feet, 280.7 meters, with 72 stories, and its distinctive green argon lighting makes it a standout in the downtown skyline. Dallas's downtown architecture is a blend of modern innovation and historical significance. Alongside the Bank of America Plaza, you'll find the Reunion Tower with its distinctive geodesic dome, the J.P. Morgan Chase Tower with its sleek glass facade, and the Renaissance Tower known for its unique X lighting pattern. Each of these buildings contributes to the city's dynamic skyline, showcasing Dallas's commitment to architectural excellence and urban development. Downtown Dallas is a symphony of light and architecture. The skyscrapers reach for the stars, their reflections shimmering in the glassy surfaces below. Even the waters of Dallas reflect the brilliance of the city. Here, light dances on the surface, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. As the night deepens, Dallas continues to shine, a city that never truly sleeps. From its towering heights to the bustling streets below, this is Dallas, a city where the night is as alive as the day. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey through Dallas at night. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking drone adventures.